Welcome to this video on the benefits of computational photography. This exciting field uses software and AI to enhance your photos, giving you incredible results. What exactly is computational photography? It's the combination of hardware and software working together to fundamentally improve the way images are captured and processed. Our first major benefit is better image quality. Computational photography delivers sharp, detailed images, even when you are shooting in challenging low-light conditions. Benefit 2 is high dynamic range, or HDR, imaging. This automatically balances extremely bright and dark areas in a single shot for a perfectly exposed image. Night mode is a specific, powerful benefit. It allows you to capture bright and clear photos, even when it is almost pitch black. Benefit 4 is portrait mode. This feature uses computational techniques to blur the background, creating that professional, DSLR-like depth of field effect. Benefit 5 is AI scene detection. Your camera can recognize what you are photographing and automatically adjust all settings for the best possible results. Image stabilization is benefit number 6. It dramatically reduces blur caused by shaky hands, ensuring your photos are always clear. Benefit 7 is super resolution zoom. This allows you to zoom in further without significantly losing image quality. Real-time filters are benefit 8. You can apply various effects instantly while you are composing and taking your shot. Benefit 9 is object and face recognition. The camera can automatically focus on and enhance people or specific objects in the scene. Faster processing is benefit 10. Computational photography provides instant image enhancement thanks to optimized algorithms and hardware acceleration. Benefit 11 is that it is cost-effective. Computational photography allows modern smartphone cameras to produce exceptional results, reducing the need for expensive, specialized camera equipment. Our final benefit is that it is easy for everyone. You can take great photos without needing extensive technical knowledge. The future of photography is computational. AI continues to make cameras smarter and more powerful, bringing professional-grade results to every photographer. In conclusion, computational photography is making photography simple and powerful, bringing professional quality and advanced features to all users.